Hello, all. Hope my voice is audible to everyone.
Hope my voice is not.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's start our today's session with a small prayer. Let's sit back and chant Om three times. Om. 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 Hello, all. Okay. So now let us discuss about the last week prediction and performance in the market. Uh, so first, we will talk about the past week intraday moon trend, and after that, we will have a little chat about the current running sun trend Mercury, and after that, we will go to the other segments of the session of today. So basically, what happened was, let me just put it this way. So basically, we will see how our predictions worked for the past week. So for the last week, it was 30th July of Wednesday. Okay. So on the 30th, our prediction was the full day up is moon in moon star. Uh, so for that day, it actually went gap up, and after that, the market kind of stayed in the range bound. And for the Thursday, it's we have the flat and upside market, and with a little downside spike. So basically, whenever this kind of flat comes in the prediction, it basically will be like it will either support the day trend, or it will just fill out the gaps that the movement in the sun trend that is supposed to happen. So on the last Thursday, it basically what happened was it kind of took over the afternoon trend, and so basically what happened was it kind of went upward from the morning. Like if we happen to see what happened along with the gap down, it basically is it kind of went flat till the afternoon, because the gap kind of got filled till the noon session, and after that market went upward, and in a couple of candles the market then fall back. So this is basically what happened on the Thursday. And On Friday, what we have is we have uh, the up flat in the morning, and after in the afternoon session we have the angle. So basically the entire day is kind of a flat market. So as I said before, if both the uh, both the uh, directions are angle and flat, it basically gets data from either it will just go the entire day flat without any movement, or it will generally take its direction based on the supportive trend. So basically here the moon sorry the sun trend is down, and basically it kind of piggybacked on the sun trend, and that day kind of went in the down. And for Monday, the content actually started, and we will discuss it in a while. So for the Monday, we have this flat and angle. So basically, it's flat market, and as we can see, it didn't. It only went inside this initial breakout candle. There is no much of a movement, and after that. Also, we have this the Tuesday. We have again the angle and the flat. So basically, that day also it kind of went along, and the market kind of gotten flat. So this is what actually what happened for the last week intraday trends. And for the further next week trend, if we look at it carefully, we have almost the flat predictions that is coming for almost more than half of the days. Today we have flat and flat, and tomorrow we have flat and flat, and on Friday we have a down and flat. And so basically, there are more flat markets that are coming in our prediction. But whenever these kind of conditions come, we have to kind of be careful, because just because we have this intraday comes as a flat doesn't mean it should necessarily be uh, going in a flat direction. There is a possibility that the market will kind of actually this kind of need to support the sun trend. So basically what will happen is we will it will take the gap down in the morning, and after that it will have this slight recovery, either filling the gap or something, and after that it will just come back to its original position, which is the down. For the entire uh, for the entire next week, if we look at it closely, we can simply say that even though there is a lot of flat markets that are coming for the intraday, the market kind of will be moving in a downward direction. So this is kind of supported by we have Mercury 12 and Saturn 8, which is basically like a retro Mercury is 12. So basically, it is like the market will be in a very much downtrend, and along with it, Sun is kind of in a conjunction along with the Mercury. So whenever either during the sun trend or the Mercury trend, whenever these two planets are in the conjunction, in a close conjunction, the possibility of the market will have a good movement compared to when these planets are a bit separated, like a bit far away. So based on that, we can say that for this Mercury trend, I am kind of expecting a little bit of a good move, not a lot, but I am kind of expecting. I will explain that in a little while. But what I need to say is the sun trend is kind of showing down and down, and the all these intraday trends are coming as a flat. The market will kind of so basically, for example, I'm saying, so this is actually a flat day, but yeah, if we are seeing it in a longer perspective, we can say that the market actually went down. But for the intraday prediction, we all know that we will just look at it from 9:30 to 9:45 kind of time frame. Like the prediction starts by that time. But in this kind of movements, the market will have a downward direction in the longer term. So basically, we can also say something similar to this, because for the intraday, it kind of went a far more bullish, 300, 350 points. But if we look at it in uh, longer view, the market is still in a lower end, because from if we check from the previous day close to the current day close, it will be uh, in a down way. So this is what this is how we need to interpret this upcoming views. So even for today, as I said, the market is flat and down, and the market started to go down in a fashionly manner. So this is basically how the market is going to move for the next area. Uh, so let's come to the sun trend, and let's see how it is, what kind of setups that are possible to take this view. So basically, the lines I have drawn here marks the area for the uh, sun trend start and end. So basically, the sun trend started on Monday, and it kind of goes till next week. Next weekend. So basically, this is how this is the time frame we have for our down prediction. And generally, for sun trend, if you are supposed to take a position, there are two kinds of uh, methods I will suggest for everyone. So basically, it will be like just take a 1 hour time frame, because we are going to use it for 14 days, and then just draw a box for the first. Simply draw the box for the first 1 hour candle from high to low. Yeah. So this box will be considered as a initial breakout box for our prediction, and no matter what happens, if you are if you are having the downward view, no matter what happens, we are not supposed to be in the position whenever the market is above this uh, box, and whenever the market has a close below this zone, we can go for the entry and wait till our exit points. So this is the one of the methods we can simply use, because we kind of need to have a small system. We can't just blindly enter and hope for the best. It's better to have one or two confirmations for our question. So basically, this kind of helps us to confirm that only if the market is going in our desired direction, we will be staying inside the trade, and whenever we will be placing our stop loss above this area. So basically, we will be stopped out even if the market kind of has a bull run and our prediction kind of goes wrong. It will save us from our account from wiping out. So this is basically a similar structure. Generally, what will happen is for in the technical analysis, people will be using this concept as an initial breakout. Either they will be doing it for the first 15-minute candle of the intraday, or they will have some other kind of method, but they will still be using this kind of concept. But what we have advantage over them is that even though they are using the similar concept like this, they do not have a time span of the movement. For instance, let's just say they kind of need to, for instance, just a simple super trend. Simply, it will be like whenever a signal is coming as a green in the super trend, they will consider that as a uptrend, and for the initial candle, they will just draw a box. And after that, what will happen is they don't know how long that trend is going to last. So basically, they cannot hold a position in an option. Either they may get their target within 2 days, they may get the target in 2 weeks, or it may even take 2 months. So it doesn't have a expiry on their view. So basically, it will be kind of like going on a single dimensional view. But what we have advantage over others when using the astrology is that we not only have our points get identified for the target and stop loss. We also have a timeline fixed for that movement. So based on this, it will be easy for us to either hold a position, or we can just simply take the expiry next of the expired timeline. So basically, this concept is kind of giving us far more advantage compared to most of the people outside. It may seem like a very simple edge, but how we can explain is that we are kind of getting a two-dimensional view, where while most of the people are getting only one-dimensional view. So it will be a far more different vision of how both of us are seeing the markets. So this is mainly the concept that help us, like the expiration time. Either like whatever can happen, either we will get our target hit, either we will get our stop loss hit. It doesn't matter. But the thing is, we kind of know definitely that we are not going to be in this trade uh, uh, after this time. So that kind of thing, most people, like without the astrology, it is impossible for others to kind of predict. So this is one of the advantage we have. And so this is basically what we wanted to discuss for the Nifty. And we covered our next week predictions. And so basically, I'm kind of expecting the market to go down some 500 points, for this area, because what we have, yeah, yeah, the Mercury is coming out of retro on the next Tuesday, and from Tuesday to Thursday, like the last 3 days, like these last 3 days, Tuesday to Thursday, these last 3 days, I'm kind of expecting a good movement, like from here to, yeah, sorry, Monday. From Monday to Thursday, I'm kind of expecting a, good movement. Uh, so you can plan your entry based on this concept only after getting confirmation from the RDM. So this is what we have to see for this Nifty, and after that we will just have a small look at crypto. Yeah. So for crypto, I am. Let's see what kind of possibilities I have here. So basically, what I am looking for is I want to take a swing trade for the Ethereum, and I will be holding it for a week. So let's see what kind of directions I get here, and I will plan my entry and again check for whether I will get the profit for my entry. So basically, it's like yeah. So I have Moon as a sublord, and I don't think any planet is in the Moon. And moon is in Ketu star today. So basically, it's 4, 5, and 9. So the planet moon will be deciding what the direction would be. So it's 4, 5, and 9, and basically all these things are pointing me to the downward direction. And even if I when I'm seeing the chart, I am also seeing the same thing. So basically, I can take my entry somewhere here. So I'm considering this trade based on what we discussed earlier of the breakout strategy. I'm taking the entry now. So basically, I just took the high and low of this last swing as a initial as a breakout candles, and I kind of I gave a little bit cushion above and below, and after that I kind of just this as a target for this first swing. Actually, I'm expecting the market to go a little bit below because based on the uh, digits I got in the RDM. But first, I will just check this with because if it is only five and the downward houses, I would have taken the entry somewhat like this because it's possible in the cryptos, like almost like I would have taken somewhat from here. But the thing is, if I also since I also got some of the angle houses like 4 and 9, it is wiser to take a little bit of a uh, profit. So then again, I need to take the confirmation that either this setup will give me profit or not. Yeah, I have this confirmation that the the target will kind of hit, but it's also signifying that the market will kind of bounce back. So basically, it will be like I will just adjust it a little bit lesser, and I can take this trade, and I'm getting this risk to reward ratio as 1 is to like 1.5, which is a decent amount. Either I will get 1% stop loss or 1.5% profit, which is an agreeable trade. So this is the entry I can take, and just for our reference, I will consider the other option as I just expressed before. Like this is not I'm going to take, but just for understanding, I will take it. Yeah. Let's see whether this setup will be profitable, like if it is possible. So I have Mars. Yeah. Here, the first level itself, it's coming as negative. So basically, if I am taking this setup, I will be definitely getting a stop loss. So this is the power of the prediction. You guys can watch these setups, just mark it, and after that we can check what happened here. So basically, what our prediction told was, if I am taking this setup, there is a possibility that there is a possibility that my target will hit, but the market is not going to just drastically move. It will just go down slowly like this, either go down slowly or go flat for a little while. The stop loss mostly won't hit, but still it will hit my target. Or there is a possibility that the market will just go somewhat above, and after that it will take the entry and again come back to the target. So anyhow, I will be getting the target for this setup. But if I am considering this, it is definitely going to hit my stop loss. So basically, based on the RDM, I am predicting that the market may somewhat like go like this, and after that it will go somewhat some around here, and then it will just go upward. So this is what I'm coming to the conclusion based on the directional uh, RDM, and the RDM I took for the profit. So this is mainly what I wanted to say. I will just leave it here like this, and after that I will check, and yeah, you guys can also see. Uh, so other than this, do you guys have any questions? If not, we will finish our sessions today. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to post it in the comments or in the group. We are always here to share our knowledge and experience. Uh, okay, so let's finish our today's session with a small prayer. Om, Om, Om. Thank you all.